Matt, today we're going to talk about Rulings.law, which is another in what seems to be an unending list of public court record websites.
Yes, they're a new one. So originally Justia, legal.com, Pacer Monitor, the big three. Rulings.law kind of came out of nowhere, it seems like. They seem like they've existed for a while, but they must have picked up their SEO. What we have noticed is when we get a client's court record removed from Justia or legal, then it pops up on Pacer Monitor and they get it removed from there. And it used to be like kind of just stopped there. That was the end of it. Now we're noticing that Rulings.law now pops up all of a sudden. So it's a never-ending game of whack-a-mole, but luckily we have figured out a way to get removed from there. Small one-time fee, 20-year guarantee is always what we do on things, but forever. And yeah, it's that easy.
It looks like I did a little bit of research on Rulings.law. First of all, if you go to their homepage now, it says that it looks like their website was hacked or something, but a whole bunch of records were deleted.
Ah,
And they're
wasn't
trying to
us.
build. Yeah, it wasn't us. But they are trying to build that back up. That must be really frustrating for them because it looks like they do provide some nice services. It also looks like they may just focus on California. Does that sound right to you?
That might make sense. The clients we've had from there have all come from California.
Yeah, it seems that I've noticed a couple of these sites like Los Angeles County, Orange County, sort of uh, the sites will have those counties mentioned specifically. I wonder if there's something different in the way that the records are recorded.
It's interesting that they've only done California because if you can scrape one state, you can scrape other states. So maybe they figure California has the most wealthy people to get to attract. Interesting.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Well, we'll see how that develops. These court record sites, they do provide some really nice services for attorneys and just for people like you and me who maybe want to research the docket and get real-time updates and stuff. It is a nice service. But if you're on the site and you want to get off, give us a call, right?
Yeah. I don't know if it's nice to be on. It's like saying it's nice to be on Yelp. I guess it could be, but usually not.
Yeah, no, I mean it's the services that they provide, the research services
Oh
are
yeah, they have
nice.
good intentions, but who wants their information being publicly out there like that?
Exactly. So the removal, I assume, is guaranteed.
Of course, yeah, 100% success rate. Um, we can't scrub it from the actual court records within, but from Google, we can.
And how long does it take? Do you know?
A week.
Okay, awesome. All right, thanks, Matt.
Thank you.